What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I feel like I say that every single intro, but for real, it's different this time. I've been seeing this kind of trending all over YouTube, and I thought it'd be really funny to just try and like recreate my own version. And that is a catfishing makeup tutorial. Before anyone gets like all butthurt and politically correct in the comments, like this isn't meant to be taken super seriously. I mean, to each their own. If you like to just really transform your look, that's totally fine. I feel like I kind of tend to look the same most of the time when I do my makeup. It's nothing too extremely drastic. Again, that's why I want to try this out, because I thought that it'd be really fun to kind of just go overboard with it and just be ridiculous and funny. So if you're gonna be someone who gets butthurt by this and leave stupid comments in the comment section, just navigate away, because no one needs your negativity here. Like, we're not here for it. Now, if you've been here before, you already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Now let's do the damn thing. All right, so I feel like some of these steps are gonna be a little redundant because some of it I just like do anyway, and obviously I'm gonna prime my face, so use whatever freaking primer you like. I always use the Instant Pore Eraser Baby Skin Primer from Maybelline because, you know, you want that like Barbie doll effect, and Barbies don't have pores, so neither do we. I wanted to mention before this video, I already like started my catfish prepping. Obviously I'm tan. I mean, I always self-tan once a week, so that's not really like anything different. And then I did put in colored contacts, but you kind of can't really see, I don't think. They're like a dark bluish color, but they're like one of the ones that like mixes with your eye color. They're actually prescription contacts because I'm blind as an MF bat. So like I said, the point of this look is to completely not look like yourself. Like, you want to catfish the fuck out of everybody. So that is what we're gonna do. Right, next I'm taking my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the color 180. Love this stuff. It's kind of like a full coverage foundation, which I feel like is what we're going for with this look. Really just want to cover up all them imperfections. Now remember, you really want to pack that foundation on, because you don't want to even like look like your skin is natural, because natural skin is shit. You really just want to completely cake everything on there, you know? So it's okay if you just like layer on that foundation. Like, remember, there's no such thing as being naturally pretty. Like, no, we're not. We're caking it on. Cake it on. Natural beauty? Never heard of her. Now we're really gonna conceal under those eyes, make them nice, bright, and white. Eyelids too, because nobody likes dark eyelids. Really gonna brighten up those places that you'd normally brighten anyway, but we're really just gonna overdo it. Before we get too into it, now I'm just setting the makeup with a translucent powder, because we don't want it to move too much or crease. Holy crap. These hoops are getting in the way. All right, now we're really gonna like bake the out of our like under eyes and like, you know, places on our face. Just go ham. Bake your whole freaking face while you're at it. I mean, why not? We don't want any creasing, because then we won't look plastic. While that's setting, we're gonna start to bronze. This is where it gets real fun, guys.
Wow.
So I am taking my Fenty Matchstick in the color Mocha. Really just gonna start to carve out that face. I'm gonna take this down a little bit farther and just curl it under my cheek, because it's gonna like give me like big cheeks. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the jaw. Nice and tapered chin. Just what we want. Pointy and angular. But because we're fake, we're gonna bronze and contour even more. So it's time to give yourself a nose job, honey. You really just want to start from like the inner corners of your eyebrows. Really just want to make that nose real small and tiny and pointy as you can possibly make it. And don't even worry about like blending it in too much, because blending was so 2018. 2019, blend? No, we don't do that. She was canceled. Now let's do the cheeks even more, because why the hell not? Give those cheeks a nice little snatcheroo. Like, you really just want your face to look like that you had a ton of surgery done, because that's the point of catfish makeup. Like, it's not you. Ow, these freaking earrings. All right, I'm taking these out till the end of the video. I'll put them back in and you can pretend like you didn't see them. Now it's time to bake under the cheeks. Blush is actually the first thing to fade on your face with your makeup, so no worries, you can go a little overboard with it. We want to just look nice and sun-kissed. You know, I still don't feel like we're quite bronzy enough, so I'm gonna go in with like a real bronzer, because the other ones were just like contour bronzers, and like we need to step up our game. Oh yes, that's what we needed. What makeup? This is real. Hashtag woke up like this. Brush away the baking powder if I even can. That's better. I was about to call the police. Okay, girls, are you ready for some fun? It's highlight time, and we get really extra with the highlight. We have to make ourselves look extra beautiful and glowy on the outside, because we're spiteful, angry bitches on the inside. So all right, next. Every catfishing bitch knows that your highlight game needs to be A1. Honey, my highlight is gonna be brighter than your future. So we're gonna start with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And we're just gonna basically like put that everywhere. Like, tip of your nose, down the bridge of your nose. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect, because we'll be putting powder over it too. Corners of the eyes, absolutely. We're here for it. I'm just gonna like put some on my hand and take some on my beauty blender, because I feel like that might just dilute it a little bit. Now most of the time we kind of just like set it right here, but not today. Today we're going up and around. That was fun, but we're not done. I mean, we really need to step up our game here. You really want to just blind them with it, so that when you're out scamming sugar daddies, they're so blinded by your highlight that they drop their wallet. Now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm just gonna start with a nice base light color, because you know we're gonna be packing that shadow on. Now, no particular order. You're just gonna kind of like smash this all over that eyelid. Next, I'm just gonna take kind of a mauve-y shadow from my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette in the color Limit, which is the opposite of us. We have no limit. The limit does not exist. So that's just gonna go all right in the crease. This is just like a pretty mauve-y color, which I'm really feeling today. I really want to do mauve tones. And I don't really feel like I do a lot of them very often, so I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. And just a darker purple in the outer V. We really want to accentuate that pointy V. Now I'm just gonna put this nice bronzy shade all over the lid. Really make that purple pop. Even continue it under the front corner of my eye. Front corner, inner corner. Okay, that was fun, but that wasn't nearly dark enough. We're not quite convinced. So I'm just gonna take a darker color. You know that quote, and be yourself because everybody else is taken? That doesn't apply to you. We're fake. So we want to make that liquid eyeliner really freaking dramatic. So I'm literally like drawing a line up here because I'm going to draw a line here and it's going to like connect. So it's going to be seriously extra. And you really just want the wings to be so excessive that you could like fly away because they're so big. And we're gonna go put on some fake eyelashes because your eyelashes might be real, but honey, you're not. Okay, eyelashes are on, and like the dumb bitch I am, I put them on the wrong eyes, but whatever, who really cares? Ain't nobody got time for that. Just gonna finish up by doing a little more highlight. I'm laughing at like literally how ridiculous it is, but it's fine. Just get those brow bones. Oh yeah. Inner corners. Don't leave your girl hanging. You really want to accentuate your lips and look like you got like Kylie Jenner lip injections, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. First, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the color Ever, and I'm just gonna go ham with this. And before I get too into it, there's actually another trick I forgot. You can bronze your under lip, and like that'll just give the illusion of a fuller lip because it'll create a shadow. Now I already have like decent sized lips, but it's not good enough, so we're just gonna make it real extra. And most of the time I've noticed girls that have lip injections don't really have a cupid's bow anymore, so I just went ahead and like went right over that. I'm gonna take this new lipstick, and you'll laugh because I bought this lipstick solely for the name, and the name is Eurotrash. And I got this one because American Trash was sold out. Kidding, they didn't have that color. Alright kids, this is the completed look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do I look like myself, or do I look like I am ready to catfish some daddies? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, don't take it too seriously because a guy in China once sued his wife and won because she got so much work done to her face, and when they had kids, their kids came out ugly. And I'm all for doing whatever you want to your body and your face, and you know, do you, but remember, men have sued for less. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fake AF look, and thank you so much for watching.